Stay tuned to see how I go from this to this. Sponsored by UNDERSEAT Pro. However, these are my true and honest opinions.
Hey friends, welcome back to Breakaway on a Budget. I'm Courtney and I'm here to help you break away on a budget. In today's video, I'm going to be packing the UNDERSEAT Pro rolling personal item. This is by far my favorite personal item that I have found, especially compared to the American Tourister and even the backpack version of this UNDERSEAT Pro luggage, although the backpack is still amazing. Make sure you subscribe so you can see when I do upload that video next. My favorite by far was the rolling personal item. My husband as well. He enjoyed the rolling personal item more than the backpack. Reason number one, he got burnt. So when my husband's walking through the airport, he has a backpack on his shoulders and he got burnt at the beach, so the backpack is rubbing. Reason two for me, well, this is my personal favorite, is if I'm going through regular airport security, this is way easier to pull out my electronics. If my laptop is right in this outside pocket right here, which is where I actually kept it, it was so easy to just pull that out and go through regular airport security. If you do have the TSA pre-check, it's going to be a little bit easier to take the backpack, so you don't have to pull out any of your electronics. If I am just flying solo, I probably would take this as my only item, but if I am traveling with my son who is younger, I probably would prefer the backpack so I have more hands available for him. But going as a family, I definitely prefer this one, especially since I do travel with my laptop. I'm gonna start pretty easy with the dress. So what you want to do is fold it into a square shape, smoothing along as you go. Then starting at the top, you're gonna roll into a tiny, tiny little dress burrito. You're gonna push down on the roll and pull it tight back to the roll. So this is what you're left with. Little burrito. So we're gonna do the same thing with this. We're going to fold it into a rectangle shape to make it easier to pack. Starting at the top again, we're going to roll and roll and roll until we get down to the bottom here. Start with some outfits. So I have a t-shirt and a pair of jeans, which if you're looking for traveling jeans, Maurice's M jeans with the stretchy waistband, no real button, no zipper. Most comfortable jeans ever. So for these jeans, I'm going to lay them out, fold it in half. Make sure you have them all smoothed down. And then I'm going to take my t-shirt and put it on top of the jeans so I have them together as an outfit. So what we're going to do here is we're going to fold this t-shirt so it fits into the jeans. So we're just going to make a square again, like we have been before. Make sure you smooth it down. That's very key to help get it very flat and pancake-like. So then we're going to start at the top again and just roll and roll and roll. So I'm going to put my shirt out first and go ahead and fold this. And then I'm gonna put my shorts on top of them. Folding in the square pattern in thirds. And then I'm gonna roll from the top. Notice I am leaving a little lead at the top here, so when I roll, I'm not rolling immediately both items at once. If you prefer, you could also just roll each shirt and each pair of shorts individually. These are sleep shorts for me, but I could also wear them out and about if I needed to. Now for reference, I am a large, extra large. I wear a 10, 12 in bottoms. I just pick extremely light fabrics. The 24/7 brand from Maurice's and the Universal Thread at Target. Very, very light fabrics for the summer, for easy for packing, especially if you're worried about space. They're not going to be too bulky, and that's exactly the type of fabric you want. So for my swimsuit, I'm just going to fold it in on itself. It does have underwire, so it's not going to fold very well. Flip the straps up in. And then I'm going to take my bottoms and I'm just going to fold them and roll them into the cup. Like so. So this is not wasted space in my bag. Can't forget your swim cover up. I'm always going to start with my larger items. So here's my pair of jeans with my one t-shirt rolled up inside. I'm going to put these. Right here are the bars for the handle, so I'm going to put this on one side and shoved up front against it, so I do have extra space back here. I'm going to take another doubled up piece right here. This has a t-shirt and shorts right in the middle here. And one more pair of jean shorts and a t-shirt I'm going to put in the third section of this bag. Always make sure you're snugging it up against one side or the other. So now I'm just going to start filling in the holes. So with my leggings, it's going to fit right here. Pair of shorts. Another pair of denim shorts. Don't be afraid to smush and squish your clothes in here. So now we have these lines in the middle. We're going to smush some of these other clothes in. available space, you're not missing space, you're not creating gaps. I do have my socks and underwear in this little pouch. I love packing in pouches. I'm actually folding up a bra inside the swimsuit as well, so we are not taking up too much extra space with just extra room. I'm gonna put that in the corner here. Then I do have my liquids bag. I do have shampoo, conditioner, spray and conditioner, some hair products, some toothpaste, some lotion, a mascara, any of my 3-in-1 liquids bag. This came with my Underseat Pro rolling personal item. It's an Underseat Pro liquids bag. Has a zipper on top with the handles. This is very convenient. So this is my liquids bag through security. So we're just gonna snug this right here. And then don't forget, you do have these zipper pockets. There's one on each side on this one. So in this one, I am gonna put my deodorant in here. I'm gonna put car keys and a pen in here. I have a charger, a charging cable. So I want this somewhere I can access really quickly, so I'm gonna put these in the front pocket up here, up top. So just slide these in. And zip that up. I like packing my sandals by themselves, not doubled. That means I can shove them wherever I want. I put them in a plastic bag so I don't get the bottoms all dirty on my nice clean clothes. So one of them is gonna fit right here. The other one, we're just gonna smush it right here. And then we're gonna take the straps. And that's it. You're packed and ready to go. Now it is slightly bulging just a tiny bit. I will not lie to you, it is slightly bulging, but that is okay. There is enough room in here that you are allowed to have a slight bulge in this, and it's not gonna put you over the limit. Now I would be putting my iPad in here or my laptop. And then all you do, pull it and away you go.